Construction vocabulary. More than 120 construction items names in English with pictures. Okay, so let's dive into the topic. Brick, cement, sand, crushed stone or angular rock, reinforcing bar or rebar, aluminium channel, bamboo pole, wood, mortar pan, sand sieve, level tube, rope, plumb bob, trowel, ball peen hammer, claw hammer, brick hammer, rubber mallet, binding wire, rebar tying tool, plastic tape measure, self-retracting metal tape measure, manually reeled tape measure, open reel tape measure, chisel, cat's paw or cat's claw, nail, nail gun or nailer, circular saw, grinding wheel, diamond blade, circular saw blade, column box, concrete mixer or cement mixer, electric drill machine, cordless river tying tool, hand float, hoe, hilti, high visibility vest, safety goggle, hard hat or safety helmet, safety gloves, safety rubber boots, ladder, step ladder, marker pen, shovel, paint roller, plastering trowel, putty knife, square or mason square, sandpaper, sand screen machine, spirit level, utility knife, tuck pointing trowel, wall putty, whetstone, wire brush, wheelbarrow, dustpan and brush, paint, aerosol paint or spray paint, paint brush, mixing paddle, scaffolding, table saw, adjustable base jack, adjustable prop jack, wrench or spanner, adjustable wrench, brace, bradawl, broom, bucket, bulldozer, excavator or digger, front loader, roller, dump truck, crane, paver, forklift, bump cutter, concrete vibrator, concrete block, concrete float, caliper, caulking gun, digging bar, cone, dust mask, face shield, handsaw, hacksaw, tenon saw, thread saw, miter saw, chainsaw, axe, pickaxe, corner trowel, file, angle grinder, marble polishing machine, hacksaw blade, rivet, nut, bolt, polythene sheet, shoe tax, mug, power trowel, pincer, plier, pull cart, table, ruler, tool belt, screw, screwdriver, tile, tile cutter, vice, stool, stirrup bending machine,